Did you know that women's brains are wired differently for emotions, communication, and decision making? Here are 5 fascinating psychological insights about women. Women tend to be more emotionally intelligent, making them better at reading and responding to emotions in social situations. Strong relationships are key to a woman's well-being. Women rely on social bonds for emotional support and stress relief. Women are generally more cautious when making decisions, analyzing risks carefully before taking action. Women use more words and details in conversations, helping them build deeper social connections. Instead of fight or flight, women often tend and befriend, turning to others for comfort in stressful times. These traits shape how women experience the world. Which one do you relate to most?